Well, after a long indecisive period, we've come to the conclusion that we wanted to switch our cage designs up a little bit. So we're going to build a modular design, and the hutches, the cages, are going to sit in this framework that we're making now. What we're using here is 1.5 inch square 100 wall tubing, and the when we're done, the design's going to be so that the cages just sit in here by 1/2 inch, so that any of the waste product will drop through clear, unencumbered, straight to the ground. It's going to sit on angle iron cleats that will be put in here to hold the cages. There'll be a center section, so this frame will hold 2 cages. We're decided around 32 inches for the leg height, so that we got enough room to clean out. And then the next stage will be putting in the
removable shit trays.
Put in the shit trays.
2 shit trays per structure.
Yeah, so it'll have an individual tray per cage. That keeps the weight down of the trays. We think we're going to use a plastic sheeting that we bought. We're going to try that, see how it goes. We're not 110% sure on that, but we're going to give it a shot. But the idea here was just to show everybody how we were doing this. We're welding this up, MIG welding, gas with hard wire. This is our device to keep it square and flat, because we're doing all this in free air. Unfortunately, we got to use the cages that we're building as temporary workbench to get this done, because we're real congested for space in here. That's our welder. That's a Lincoln SP125 Plus. This is the better of the small welders because it doesn't have click dials. They're all infinite controlled. We're running AC25 mixed gas. We're running this thing balls out on the voltage. You can see that's it. Should do 100 wall, but that's about it. That's the limit for this little welder. I'll give you an idea of the welds it can produce. That's a weld there, and that's the vertical downhand. So that's what we're up to today, and to get this project. So I just thought I'd make a real fast, short, quick video for you guys to see where we're going, and to give you an idea of we're going to take this to the next step. And that's all. We're just fanaticals, radical fanaticals, so we're just going to keep taking it to the next step till we get exactly what we want. So we think that this is going to help out a lot with the cleanup, because that's the time-consuming thing, is cleaning up after these guys. So we want to try to minimize that. We never get away from it, obviously, but the name of the program now is to minimize and make it as quick as possible. So a short little video, 4 minutes long. Again, just to I'll update when we get this finished, but we're on a time crunch right now. We're up against the clock. We're running out of daylight. Got to go to work tomorrow. So that's where we are now. We're just trying to get ahead of the curve a little bit, and produce some quality here. So, and like I said, we'll show you the finished product when we're done. And anyway, keep watching, like, subscribe. If you have any comments, please feel free to leave them, and as we go, we're going to show you guys how everything works. Thanks, and have a good day.